This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by William Cannon. Fully renovated 2-bedroom 2-full-bath duplex. Fresh paint, new roof and air conditioner system. Ceramic tile and vinyl plank flooring for easy maintenance. Washer and dryer are included at full price. 1-car garage with garage door and opener. High beam ceilings and a very rustic look that reminds you of a mountain cabin. Wood burning fireplace for winter warmth. Living room and kitchen combination with bar area for entertaining. Refrigerator with ice and water on the door. Rear deck and brick grill area. Heavily treed lot with nice yard. Pets are considered. Landscaping is included within the rent, so it is maintenance free. For more information, review the details below or contact William Cannon at 954-693-0100.